Based at Lancaster University, InfoLab21 is an award-winning international centre of excellence for research in information and communication technologies, or ICT.
Kind of the app front, because we're keen to get it across as many devices as possible.
The ISTEP project is designed to identify and support collaboration between the Northwest's digital and creative industries and researchers from InfoLab21's School of Computing and Communications. By matching up businesses with the experts they need to develop new products and processes, ISTEP helps companies overcome barriers to innovation and supports business growth.
In the School of Computing and Communications, we have 40 world-class academics. We cover 5 main areas. We look at communication systems, how to build better wireless and networked distributed systems. We look at computer systems themselves, in particular operating systems and middleware platforms. We look at software engineering, so how to build world-class software products and requirements capture. We look at human-computer interaction, and in particular how to design new forms of interaction with computers. And finally, we look at intelligent systems with a particular focus on natural language processing and planning. Researchers in the School of Computing and Communications benefit in working with partnership with industry. So what we hope is that companies come to us with new problems, new opportunities, perhaps new technologies that they've developed, and we would work in partnership with them to develop new solutions, new approaches, new underlying system support really. So it's all about innovation and impact, really generating impact based on the problems and the opportunities that the companies are bringing and the research expertise that we have here in the school.
ISTEP helps companies innovate when they don't have the specialist resources or skills to progress development, need to raise their technical confidence in new areas of technology, or require specialist expertise to progress a grant or bid application. Ways to collaborate include expert consultancy, development projects, spin-out company support for InfoLab21 academics, a wide range of regional events and technical workshops. Based in Chester, UK IO Publishing produces In Out magazine, a free lifestyle, food and drink publication. It is published biannually and is available from 600 outlets across the Northwest. Established in 2004, the printed magazine has a readership of 120,000. In Out magazine is supported by its own website, which includes event listings, recipes, reviews, and short promotional videos. In order to interact better with current users and attract new visitors, UK IO Publishing required a mobile version of the In Out magazine website.
More people these days are surfing the net by using smartphones. Smartphones represent 22% of the UK phone market. In Out have decided to move with the times and get in contact with InfoLab for us to create a mobile website/app. We were given 80 hours of their time from a PhD student who specialised in telecommunications for smartphones. This was account managed by Clare Edwards and it was created by Mark Lockery.
InfoLab21 created a simple, complementary iPhone and Android mobile application to act as a virtual in-out club card that would link people to the mobile network. This would enable people to browse information from the main website, such as events listings and blogs, as well as a search function for restaurants, hotels and spas.
The ISTEP programme has rejuvenated In Out and it's taken us into the 21st century, enabling us to offer more added value to our clients.
ISIS Forensics is a Lancaster University spin-out company which specialises in developing solutions to protect individuals and organisations online. Based at InfoLab21, ISIS Forensics provides professional services to minimise the security, legal and financial risks that peer-to-peer and file-sharing technologies can pose. In recent years, there has been a major social networking boom on the internet, from Facebook and Twitter to text messaging, and children are increasingly accessing these networks using mobile devices, such as mobile phones and iPads. Researchers at ISIS Forensics have developed a tool specifically for use on mobile phones.
Over the last few years, there's been a huge uptake in the use of social networks, primarily by children or teenagers, but essentially they're open to anybody. On the one hand, this provides huge opportunities to allow children to communicate with one another, find people with similar interests, but it also exposes them to significant risks. There's nothing stopping an adult from going online, creating an account, posing as another individual or a child, and then communicating with children and pretending to be someone from their age group. The problem's become more profound recently in that mobile phones have become more powerful and sophisticated, and equally children seem to be using mobile phones from an earlier age. The problem with mobile phones is that parents can't supervise them, and so traditional approaches to supervising online activity don't work, and so instead we need to build alternatives. Within the company, we initiated a £54,000 R&D project to tackle this issue and build software that can run on a mobile phone. This happened over a 12-month period, and at the end of it, we gained quite a lot of publicity with regards to the end result. This made us realise that the way we currently expose our technology on the website wasn't really sufficient, and we weren't getting enough publicity. Being a resident company, we were aware of the various services that we could access from InfoLab. So we approached InfoLab and they offered to help us maximise the publicity of technology. They, for example, helped redesign and build our website. They provide us with advice and they've also provided us with contacts to access funding opportunities.
This new software, which is called Child Defence, enables children to scan web chat on their mobile to check the age of people they're messaging, potentially protecting them from being groomed by adults posing as children online. The software uses the latest advances in language analysis technology to identify language quirks particular to different age groups. It can also link in with websites such as Facebook and Twitter, allowing children to scan chat text from their site.
The key benefit the ISTEP programme has provided with us is greater exposure for the company as a whole. So now our technology is much more visible, our website's much more concise and understandable, and people can look at it and see clearly what we provide. This is a direct result in that we've now got a number of clients who've approached us and we are in negotiations with them to license our technology and to incorporate it within their products.
Molarity is based at Liverpool Science Park. The company specialises in business intelligence software. It produces real-time business intelligence by utilising Bluetooth and mobile technologies to show people entering and leaving premises, how long they spend in the venue, and how often they come back. This type of data is readily provided for online or website activity by software applications such as Google Analytics.
Molarity were delivering just reports to our current clients, and what we needed was a dashboard to display our key performance indicators in real time. So we decided to approach Lancaster University to help us develop a prototype of the dashboard. Our clients really liked the look and feel of Google Analytics. So through my network at Lancaster University, I called Colin McLaughlin of the ISTEP programme. We had an initial meeting, and then 2 weeks later he introduced me to 2 PhD students which he had identified, and these students were then given a specification, and then they went away and developed the prototype of the dashboard.
The Molarity solution measures the number of mobiles rather than clicks, using its plug computing sensor technology. Following the completion of the concept dashboard, Molarity has continued developing the product into a full working system. The company now offers a product that is easily integrated with a client's software and provides information in real time. Molarity's products have been deployed to retailers and transport organisations.
The assistance we received from Lancaster University, InfoLab21 and the ISTEP programme have been invaluable to Molarity for the following reasons. 1, we cut development time by 6 months. 2, we used the most cost-effective solution And 3, we use the most up-to-date technology.
The ISTEP project can assist SMEs based anywhere in the Northwest, including Cumbria, Lancashire, Cheshire, Warrington, Greater Manchester and Merseyside. InfoLab21 welcomes applications from companies in the digital and creative industries that can identify an ICT need and who employ between 1 and 249 employees. Assistance is offered via expert consultancy, development projects, workshops, regional events and company creation. The areas of expertise on offer include communications and networking, computer systems, software engineering, intelligent systems, and human-computer interaction, or HCI.
The workshops have benefited my clients hugely because they get access to people like Paul and Reuben who have phenomenal skills in these areas, and it's helped them to expand their knowledge and also expand their businesses, which has been fantastic.
The business is a company called DDL Group. We provide a range of direct marketing services. Technology plays an important part in what we do, both in terms of how we deliver those services and actually in the range of services we offer. As technology moves forward, so the business has to develop. The workshops are really all about looking forward 2, 3, 4 years, saying where should we be, what should we be offering, and how should we be doing that.
My name's Anthony Ball. I have a computer company called Computing Data Limited. We have an end-of-term report writing programme for primary schools. We're writing some new programmes and we want to market them virally over things like Facebook and Twitter.
To find out whether your business can benefit from the ISTEP programme and InfoLab21's other services for business, please visit the website for further information.